back again with another video. This is part 2 from the part 1 of the Clutch Master and Slave. Now we're bringing the car up on the lift. Hot as fuck. Another day of car work and getting her back on the road. She's feeling good with the shift in, smooth as fuck. I am proud that I got that done. First time doing it, and I feel like I get that shit done in like 30 minutes type of thing. Like, it's so easy, guys. Like, especially if you have a braided line, you don't have to do the whole brake booster thing. But anyway, putting it up on the lift, I'm gonna start disassembling everything, so I gotta take out my axles, OEM. The left side, driver's side is messed up for sure, but I got both sides together. 500 horsepower insane shaft axles. Yeah, they should hold up shit, so we'll see. Update, guys, is now 1:54 p.m. Saturday. I got both axles out. I just got the driver's side out. Then I have to get the intermediate shaft out on that side so I can get the threading looked at and retapped or whatever, because I'm pretty sure I snapped the bolt. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't know. You can't. I think it's like this side that's maybe fucked, but you can't really tell, honestly. The other one right here, the axles, I might sell them or end up rebuilding them and selling them, or just do a little project video on that. Who knows? But yeah, it's hot, as you guys can tell. I'm dripping. Got my waist trainer on, so it's like it helps for your back and shit and posture. While I'm doing car work, I'll be killing myself. And it helps me sweat out too, so lose that way, you know, get back in shape, rich shit.
Period.
What's going on, guys? Back again. I'm always back again with another update, obviously. So obviously we got all the axles out and I'm working on the half shaft. We bought all 3 new bolts because I bought a new half shaft, so I need to get new bolts. Plus the top one, when I put in my half shaft, I over tightened and it just kind of couldn't tighten. It just kept kind of spinning. This is why the threading, you know, came undone. It's right there, as you can tell.
There we go.
So threading's left on it, and yeah, got the new bolts and put everything new back in, and I'm done.
Period.
Yeah, simple as that. Easy job. Really hot, as you can tell. I'm sweating my ass off, but love this shit. I'm feeling good, feeling great. Get my car better. I'm happy that's shifting good, so that's like one of the other major parts. Yeah. Peace. Guys, we took out the intermediate shaft and I did strip the threading in there, and it's kind of going to be hard to kind of get in there right now, but I'm just going to put it back in. Hopefully it just sits on it snug, and yeah, just put in my axles and just be done. Let's get to it. These are the 500 horsepower built insane shafts for the 04 to 08 Acura TSX CL9. I have good reviews on them and whatnot, so it's better than $1,100 for OEM for both of them. This was like $420 or so for the pair. So yeah, it beats that, and it should be running smoother after this. This side's in, guys. Shit's went in pretty smoothly, getting it done. You guys can see I'm fucking sweating profusely. Like, I'm literally like, I don't know what the it is, man. I don't know, it's just me, my sweat glands and shit like that. But I'm trying to just sweat off all this tummy. You know, I got my waist trainer helping me, getting me sweating real good. Let's see. Just got moist. It's helping my posture too, make my back not hurt. I kind of recommend this, guys. This is my first time using it, and it's definitely helping me. It's making me stand straighter. It's supporting my back a little bit. Axle went in pretty-ish smoothly. I had to, play with it some. Give me some little finger play, finger action and shit, and it went in. And other than that, it's about she goes, man. Just tighten this side up and do the other side, then I'm ready to get the f*** out of here.